Okay, people, I'm driving on to work. You hear this car, right? It stopped on me twice yesterday. I just got the starter fixed. But what I'm going to do is tomorrow I plan to go out and get some pictures of the fall with my other camera and start that movie because I have been working and I have not been working on that movie that hard, and now I have to come back and I have to finish what I started. Alrighty now. Here I am heading to work this morning. I got this camera to work right. Okay. Yeah. Yay. Well, I'm going to start going to get my stuff. I think I should go get it tomorrow, Sunday. Yes. And I'm going to get my camera stand, and some stuff I bought from Dollar Tree and Roses last year, and I'm gonna decorate the hats. I brought 2 hats, but I'm gonna do more decorations and decorate some boxes. I gotta get some boxes to decorate. I don't know how to warm get gas in this car. It's putt-putting along though. It's running kind of smoother than what it ran when I first got it. I had to add antifreeze to it, and not only did I have to have antifreeze, I had to add oil. But I am destined to get back in church. Whatever church God lead me to, that's the church I'm gonna stay in. I'm gonna start praying to make sure I go to the right church. A lot of things have happened to me. And some people, might not want me in their church because of what happened to me. And, I don't know how that goes, but I'll just go ahead on and try to find a church home. But Newport News isn't, some people not from the city, I thank the Lord for this day. I thank Him for His goodness and His mercy and His kindness. Truly, I declare and decree that I have the victory in Jesus in this day. I have the victory. Victory belongs to, I forgot my coffee. In the mighty name of Jesus, belongs to me, and victory belongs to Jesus Christ. I declare and decree Jehovah Makandash. It is the Lord that makes holy. I am the righteousness of Christ. Truly, I am going to have the victory. Truly, the Lord is going to bless the works of my hands in the mighty name of Jesus. And He's going to bless me out here as I work with the Salvation Army, as I work with the nonprofit. All right. I don't know what that humming noise is. Yeah, the car humming. You hear it clicking? I don't know what that is. I added oil to it. People said the oil will stop it from clicking. I want to fix up these little hats I have. I only bought 2 right now. The elf hat and the other hat. And I want to make me a garland necklace. Now, I got more lights that I brought last year that I didn't use, or I used some. So I had a little Christmas tree I lit up. I'm going to make some box designs to capture some background for Christmas and for fall. I have to capture some fall and winter. I guess it's going to be fall and winter pictures. It was going to just be fall pictures, but now it's fall and winter pictures. Hey, this car's running kind of smooth. I put like 2 quarts of oil in it, 3 altogether. I put 3 quarts all together, but it's running a whole lot of smoother. But the engine light's still on. The engine light is blinking. I think it was the oil the whole time. And 2 quarts, I don't know if that's enough or not, because every time I press on the gas, I hear a clicking sound. I don't know what that is. So, keeps they going in there, you on the interstate until I find out what that clicking sound is. Every time I press the pedal, the gas pedal, I gotta find out what that clicking sound is. After I found out that clicking sound, then, brakes are good. All 4 brakes are good. Brakes pass inspection. Oh my God, let me tell you something. The mechanic wanted to take my back brakes off. Take my tire off and check, and my brakes were in backwards in the back. One of them was in backwards. I said, what in the world? Backwards? And, I asked the previous owner, and the previous owner said no work was done on this car when it come down to the back brakes, just the front brakes. I said, wow. So it's been like that ever since the car was purchased then. Not ever since the car was, ever since whoever purchased this used car. So I got the car. It's not running perfect, but maybe it was cutting off because it was cold. But I know it had heated up when it started cutting off. But now it's running better, but it still has that clicking sound when I go a certain speed, when I press on the gas. It has a clicking sound. Click, click, click. I'm going to take it to the mechanic, and I'm going to have that looked at. The accelerator and the gas, the accelerator and brake always got to be right, because the accelerator, if it breaks, you have to cut the car or something, but in the gas and the brakes, if they break, you in big trouble. So I got to get that looked at and find out where that clicking noise come from. Is it the oil leak, or is it something else? Man, this is when this car can cut off when I stop at these lights. I don't feel like getting in another accident. I got in one 3 years ago. Yeah, it'll be 3 years in January, and then I guess that can be taken off my insurance. So if I decide to go to another insurance company, the accident I'm in, that I got in, will be taken off my insurance. Okay, now. Check to see where the camera is, but you're going to follow me as I take pictures. I'm going to start that Sunday after service, and you're going to follow me around as I prepare for this movie. I'm seriously going to do it. But, I have to start getting the crew together, and that's one thing I haven't been doing. And so, I'm going to call people and see if they need help and, try to get a crew together. But, try to meet people out there in the industry, stuff I haven't been doing. I have to go back to try to find an internship. I was looking, and then, I made a mistake with the, here I am at the Salvation Army. I made a mistake with the, what you call it? Alrighty now, I am here. This is cool.